Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Binance application for your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Downloading Binance application for your Android device is quite simple. First, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are, tap Open Play Store. Soon after you open up Play Store, you'll be able to see a search bar at the top. Type in Binance into the search box. Now, once you make a search, you should see the application displayed in the search result. This one's the app we are looking for. Simply tap the Install button to get started with downloading the application for your Android. Wait until the app gets downloaded and you'll be good to go. The downloading process will only take a while depending upon your internet speed. If you have a strong and stable internet connection, you should be able to download the app right away. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you can see an open button popping up, which means your application is ready for use. Tap it on to launch the app open. And that is how you can quickly and easily download Binance mobile application for your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.